Happy Monday, you guys! So we're here with the fam. We're gonna go to a buffet here in Simi Valley. It's called Panda Buffet. Angel, say hi! Hi! Tita Si, Ma, and my husband. What's up, you guys? Happy Wednesday! It's another Magic Mountain Wednesday. It's a beautiful day here in Southern California. It's sunny. We're gonna get a bit of a tan. I'm pretty sure you guys can guess where we are. Oh yes, Six Flags, Magic Mountain. But we got all the cousins together. Derren. Hi, Derren. We have Ian, Angel, Abby, and Skylar. There's like some structure. So that is the new ride that's that's supposed to be opening. Well, it was supposed to open back in April, but now they say summer, but summer's like weeks away, or like a couple weeks away. So that should be nice, a nice addition to the park. Frozen lemonade stop for everybody because it's pretty hot. Are you guys all getting one? Yeah. Allison, Isha. Alright guys, so I don't think I even vlogged that much today. So we're going on our last ride of the evening, which is going to be, I think you guys guessed it, it's X2. Tell me if you guys have noticed this, but every time I vlog, I'm usually vlogging the back of everybody's clothing. See, look, there's Abby. Abby, say hi!
Good night.
And just like that, our Six Flags adventure for the day is over, but we're gonna go eat because we're all freaking hungry. It is Thursday. I'm here at Thousand Oaks Mall, the Oaks Mall. I have to pick up Derren 2 packs of socks because he has like a certain list of things that he needs to take with him. It's pretty much all set and ready to leave on Tuesday. Or let me take that back. He actually gets picked up on Monday. Swearing in is on Tuesday because his swearing in was technically supposed to be on Monday. He was supposed to leave Sunday, but they had changed it. So it's a little bit different, but you know, we're still glad we still have some time to spend with him before he leaves. Derren pho with no greens. This is the filet mignon with brown rice. Combo pho, regular pho. And 2 orders of egg rolls. Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. I'm with Angel. And she is accompanying me. We're here at Porto's. We're picking up, I don't know how many boxes of Porto's because today is Derren's going away party, or it's later on this evening. So it's gonna be a busy day. Currently editing the vlog. Today is Wednesday. It's about 10 a.m. Weird thing is that, again, vlog camera and SD card are kind of acting up. But anyway, I was reviewing some of the footage, realized that I didn't incorporate, or I didn't vlog as much as I should have. I think these past couple of days I've just been trying to be a little bit more present in the moment than capturing the moment. Here is the setup for Derren's going away party. We have a Snapchat filter for him. Then there's a little place here for people to write words of encouragement. And then we're going to mail it to him during basic training. This is the graduation dog that people can sign. And then all the way over here we have the little photo booth so they can wear props if they want. Here's the backdrop I got off of Amazon. And oh, I forgot to turn on the lights. And there's the lights. A backlight, and then here are the studio lights. This was a very memorable moment for Derren, for the family. We had a bunch of food lined up. The barbecue, Juliano, New York steak, my mom's chicken, seafood pasta, lumpia, egg rolls, and fried chicken. Angel, Natalia, Uncle Bill, Kitasi, Loma, Ashton, Skylar all the way back there. And here's Abby! I remember just looking at him and looking at everybody who was at the party. I mean, you could see how happy he was, you know, to have everybody present at that party. My mom had set up a canopy in the backyard, and I've always wanted to recreate the last scene from Twilight. You guys know my obsession with Twilight, hence the name Twilight Chick 1 for 3. Strung some lights inside the canopy with the firefly lights, and it just created this really beautiful ambiance. Derren said it looked just like Twilight. To my mom and dad and Ma, we wanted to say thank you guys so much for everything that you did for Derren's going away party. It wouldn't have been as memorable if it weren't for you guys. So thank you so much for all of your efforts and everything that you guys did as a team to really make his party as great as it was. Good afternoon, you guys. Happy Saturday. So it is nice and hot. It's finally like summer weather in Southern California, which I absolutely am all about. Derren's party, going away party, was a ton of fun. Super just glad, you know, family and friends were able to attend. As a family, we didn't get like a family photo, so I left the backdrop up so we could take pictures tomorrow. Hopefully I got enough vlog footage, which I think I did, but overall the weather was beautiful. It was nice at night. So we're here at Pho in Woodland Hills. Sam's getting Pho. Ian, Angel, Ma, Abby, the hubs. Is mine tofu vegetables with rice. Fast forward to Sunday. This day was definitely very bittersweet for me because Sunday was my 38th birthday. That early morning I felt so many emotions, a change of scenery. It was really sweet because my mother-in-law and my husband, they put together like a little impromptu birthday dinner for me, which, you know, I really wasn't expecting because, like I said, after 30 it's kind of like, you know, you don't really celebrate your birthday that much. I had noodles for long life. Mother-in-law made her beef stick Filipino, which I haven't had in a long time, so that was definitely a treat because it was absolutely delicious. And then my husband made the recipe for boiling crab shrimp that Melissa, Mel BZ TV here on YouTube, she shared. So my husband just kind of took out a bit of the spiciness because my parents don't really eat spicy food, but it was absolutely delicious. Thank you, Melissa, for sharing the recipe. And they even had a cake for me, which I thought was absolutely, you know, really sweet, and it definitely brightened my day. It was a good birthday, even though I don't like to think that I'm 38. Monday, I unfortunately left my vlog camera at home. This was the day when we ended up taking Derren to the recruiting office, starting his new journey in life. And I remember just standing, like I couldn't walk through the door of the recruiting office just because, you know, it was just like there was just like a flood of emotions. And as parents, we got them from their small age so that they could eventually one day spread their wings and fly on their own. And this was that moment. It was tough, but you know, it's definitely not goodbye, of course, because, you know, we will still see him, but it's just that, you know, he won't be here at home, but he's starting his new adventure. The very next day, which is Tuesday, we headed down to MEPS, which is located in El Segundo, I believe, it's close by the Los Angeles airport, LAX airport. It was a journey to get here. Mad traffic this morning, and we were actually a little bit early because we ended up, I think waiting an hour and a half or so. It was really nice to have everybody there, the family there, to see this moment when, you know, it's his official swear-in.
Good afternoon. My name is Captain Martin. I'm the Assistant Operations Officer here at the MEPS. I'd like to start by saying that it's an honor to be your enlisting officer here today. To all the friends and family members that are here, thank you for being here. Your support for your service members is absolutely huge. Okay, you ready?
Yes, sir!
Applicants, attend. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your full name.
I, Bolton,
Do solemnly swear.
do solemnly swear
That I will support and defend.
that I will support and defend
The Constitution of the United States.
the Constitution of the United States
Against all enemies.
against all enemies,
Foreign and domestic.
foreign and domestic,
That I will bear true faith.
that I will bear true faith
And allegiance to the same.
and allegiance to the same,
That I will obey the orders.
that I will obey the orders
Of the President of the United States.
of the President of the United States
And the orders.
and the orders
Of the officers appointed over me.
of the officers appointed over me,
According to regulations.
according to regulations
And the Uniform Code of Military Justice.
and the Uniform Code of Military Justice.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Lower your hands. At ease. Okay. Congratulations. And thank you. The commitment that each of you just made is one that fewer than 1% of all Americans make. And continuing to have citizens like yourselves voluntarily make that commitment is absolutely critical to the continued defense of the values that we hold dear in this nation.
Definitely commend all of them, you know, for joining the military and their bravery. By this time, I think it was like 1 o'clock, and we still had the opportunity to take him out to dinner, so he could have dinner with us one last time before he leaves on a plane for South Carolina. His boot camp will be in South Carolina. So kind of just hung out at the Century City Mall, which was absolutely beautiful. I haven't been there in years. Then around, I think 6-ish, we ended up picking up Derren, and Darren's favorite restaurant, as many of you guys know, if you guys have been watching us for years, his favorite restaurant is BJ's. So it just so happened there was a BJ's there at the Century City Mall. So I picked him up, ended up going there for dinner. It was great to have that opportunity to spend one more dinner with him before he leaves. Official flight to leave for South Carolina is today, and as I'm vlogging this right now, he's somewhere up in the air, somewhere up in the sky on his way to South Carolina. Please keep him in your prayers, and you know, for those of you guys who've been watching us for years, I guess you guys have seen the journey of Derren growing up as well, and it's just amazing, you know, to vlog and share that life with you guys, because you guys have seen him essentially grow up here on YouTube. To Derren, we just wanted to say how proud we are of you. Stay positive and just keep going, keep pushing through. There's going to be challenges along the way, but just keep pushing through it. And remember, say your prayers and just stay focused, stay positive, and you know, don't worry about us, because we are going to be fine. Just focus on you and your goals, and we will see you soon. We'll always be here for you no matter what, and you know for sure we will be writing you every day, so I'm pretty sure you're going to be flooded with tons of letters. Thank you guys as always for all of your words of encouragement to Derren and all of your congratulations. He did read through all of the comments, and he said thank you. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here, even though it was a little bit later on during the week, but I just really wanted to end this vlog and kind of close one chapter and open another, because it is, you know, it's a new journey for Derren. I thought it was just proper to curate the vlog this way. So I hope you guys are having an amazing week. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. Please make sure you guys keep Derren in your prayers, and we'll see you guys next week.